Welcome back. We are going to be completing the body of the ferret carry sack today. And these are the bottoms that you have together with your single crochets. We're going to do our last single crochet. And we're going to go ahead and switch colors. When we switch colors, we're going to join with a slip stitch. Then chain 2. And double crochet in the same stitch. I'm doing the back loops on this because I just like to get a little ridge between the colors. If you don't want that, don't do the back loops. Just go ahead and double crochet through the whole stitch. But again, I'm double crocheting through the back loops for this first round, and you'll just double crochet all the way around. Once you get to the end of that round, you can either join with a slip stitch, or you can continue to work in the round and just do another double crochet. If you go straight to the double crochet, then you won't have a seam. I really just forgot what I was kind of doing, and I made a seam in this one, but it doesn't bother me. So if you go ahead and go with the seam, you'll join with a slip stitch, chain 2, and then double crochet in the same stitch. Now I'm going to continue around, and I did 11 rounds this way, and 11 or 12 rounds should be good. I made my bag pretty tall so the ferrets wouldn't just climb out. And this is after I have 11 rounds done. You'll go ahead and join with a slip stitch. Now I actually switched colors here. So in the video I kept going with the green because that's what my example was in the beginning. But I wanted a little gray edge at the top, so I switched to gray right here. And on this top edge, we're also doing single crochets again. I like it to hold a little bit tighter for where the straps are. So you'll single crochet around with whatever color you choose. And I did that for 4 rows. You might want to do 5, just depending on how it looks to you. This is what it looks like with your top edge done. You will go ahead and fold in the sides. So I folded in my sides about 4 stitches. middle kind of our project instead of on the end. That way our slip stitches are all forming on the same side of our bag. Once you have this done, once you have this done, then we're almost done with our bag. So we're going to slip stitch around the opening now. And just slip stitch all the way around. Once you've slip stitched all the way around, go ahead and weave in your ends and you'll have your completed ferret carry sack. In the next video, we will attach the hardware and make our straps.